Make this two eyeball here and there after the circle and create here, okay, big eyeball, big eyeball, and the eyebrow, and the nose, and the mouth. And this boy also using the spectre, the glass.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, do this first. And his hair is like this. Make like this, okay? Here. This is the mouth, small body, long leg, and boot, and hand like this. 1, 2, and 3. We make a scenery this time, okay? आराम से.
So I had done this drawing for my homework.
Wow, that's good. This is really awesome.
How is it?
This is very good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, how's this? I finished the drawing.
Wow.
Wait a minute. No, no, no. Okay, what's your name? So,
Yes.
what's the next drawing?
Yeah, this is scenery. I do the scenery. Okay, just wait. So I can make the scenery over here.
Sir, can you see my next first drawing?
Yes, I have to see. Just a second.
What's the next step, sir?
Yeah, just a second, Mira. Just a second.
There. mint, no equality patch.
So you can add the scenery. Yes. Okay. So so here here.
That these are my new colors.
Wow.
So can we draw our own drawing?
No, not still yet own drawing. After that you can draw one drawing. I just show one drawing. Okay, I just then you can go ahead to one drawing. So I just create here some scenery. Okay. So here you can draw one tree. You can make this one tree. This is so long. Here one tree. Make it one tree. One, two, three, four, five, six. This is coconut tree. Make coconut tree like this. Okay, and make another coconut tree one like this. More one coconut tree. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. This is coconut tree over here. Okay, make a land. Yeah, you can make it the tree, the grasses over here. You can make the yes. You make the tree like this. Okay. You can make some house over here. Make some house one house over here. See? Make a house. This boy house. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. You make this is the heart, okay? You make the heart. Make the cloud and the birds. Yes, I do it. Huh?